Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we are going to talk about why the Bitcoin price is dumping and how you can make money with crypto the next hours and days, guys. So first of all, guys, congrats if you took this short trade here. Yeah, I called this out in one of my previous videos. Then you should have nice profits. And the question of right now is, if you're standing on the sideline, what can you do or what should you do to make money, guys? Okay, the first question is, why is the Bitcoin price even more dumping? So the question is, and here's the answer. Yeah, this was the question, and you get the answer from you guys. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, this is the biggest ETF. Yeah, transferred almost 9,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, worth over 376 million to Coinbase. Okay, on January 16th. Yeah, and then they started selling. And as you can see here, the Grayscale ETF Trust is by far the biggest. As you can see here, they have so many Bitcoins, yeah, and the others look quite small in comparison, yeah. And as you can see here, this week or the last days, Grayscale dumped many of their Bitcoins. So you can see here, it went down, even further, and the other ETFs grew, as you can see here, yeah. But still, the Grayscale ETF is by far the biggest. And as you can see here, the Grayscale ETF shrunk by almost 4.9 billion, guys. And I will show the outflow here. As you can see here, just in the last days, as you can see here, they sold around 1.6 billion, yeah, worth of Bitcoin, and the other small ETFs bought some more. Okay, as you can see here, but still by far the Grayscale ETF is the biggest. So they might dump even more, guys. And let me show you some technical analysis what's going on right now. And guys, if you also want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. Yeah, so guys, let me show you the events, because the first really bearish event was this one here. Yeah, it was like 8 days ago when this pattern broke here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame that you can see it better. This pattern, yeah, broke here. So then the second very bearish event was this here, when when the Bitcoin price could not move, with a small breakdown, when the Bitcoin price could not move up above this orange line again. Okay, second very bearish event, because this line has been acting as support since, let's see, since a long time. It was since October last year. And now we have the very bearish event, the third, as you can see here, this line here. Yeah, we have to look at the white line, because since we broke below here, the Bitcoin price never ever managed to break above it again. Yeah, you can see here, we broke below it here, rejection, then we went down even further, and now we got the next rejection. And as you can see right now, we are moving closer to the line again. And the question is, if you're standing on a sideline now, what can you do? So the option number one would be, if we get closer to this line, as you can see here, the next hourly candle will or could touch it already, and we get a rejection again, then you could potentially open a short position. Yeah, and the question is, of course, how low can the Bitcoin price go? Yeah, we have strong support. I mean, this was strong support, now it's acting as resistance. Yeah, and I can tell you, we would have to break above this white line at around 42k. Yeah, this is the first thing that would have to happen to switch somehow to bullish again. I mean, the first one, actually this white line here, second this one, and then to flip really bullish again somehow, I would say we would have to break above the orange line again at around, let's say, almost, let's say 44k. Yeah, unless we stay below this orange line, below this white line, and below this white line, we look pretty bearish right now. Yeah, and how low can we go? Okay, so the next strong support is waiting here at around 40k. Yeah, if we don't get the bounce out of above this level, as you can see here, we almost tested it, but then the price bounced up again. If we break this line, then the next strong support is at around $37,600. And if this also breaks, guys, then the next one is waiting at around 35,000. But this would be pretty bearish if we would go that low. if not at least this line or this line, if you don't get any bounce out above these levels then, or from these price levels, then yeah, we could really go as low as 35. I mean, if 35 doesn't hold, then yeah, that's really bearish then, guys. Let's let's go to the hourly time frame. So this is really a moment, or the next couple of hours, as you can see here, are really interesting, because if you get another rejection, then we could potentially go really lower. Yeah. And let's also talk about Ethereum, yeah, because as you can see here, we have this descending wedge here going on. And also we had very bearish scenarios that I told you about in my previous videos, because I said once this purple line breaks, yeah, this or as long as we stay above this purple line, is bullish, if not bearish. As you can see here, this is the first bearish event. We broke below this purple line and we never managed to get above it again. And then right now this white line acts as resistance. Let's switch to the hourly time frame. So you can see here, this is acting as resistance now, yeah. So rejection, and a lot of almost rejections, let's say. And if you're standing on a sideline, you should basically just wait for a confirmed breakout. Yeah, the breakout target would be around, let's see, if you would break out to the upside here, breakout target would be at around $2,600. If it would break out to the downside, the price target would be in pretty perfect confluence with this support at around $2,260. Yeah, so if you're standing on the sideline, just wait until the market shows us where we are going, and then react accordingly. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.